sound, vision, touch. I want to contribute to a better future.
Okay.
I want to create visual art for those who cannot see.
I want to make the viewer an artist, and I want to make the touch a work of art.
Tocco is inspired by a personal challenge. The viewer becomes part of the artwork, but also becomes the artist.
Tocco is dedicated to those people who cannot see. Thanks to the sound and the tactile experience, the work of art becomes visible to them as well.
All of this was made possible by working closely with the technology and artificial intelligence.
Ok, dopo
6 mesi dall'idea.
4 mesi pieni di lavoro ho finito. Sono super contento e il risultato finale è questo. There is nothing that...
Not bad.